Hey everybody, I'm coming to you today to bring you 3 Christmas DIYs. Yes, 3. First one is kind of a snow globe, but just doesn't have any liquid in it. This is a vase that I've had for years in my closet that I got from a thrift store. I'm finally using it. This is a microfiber mop head that I got from Dollar Tree. Most of the items you see will be from Dollar Tree. I'm putting in these trees. I'm gluing them down to the mat so they won't keep falling, as well as this snowman and a couple of other smaller trees. Then I'm going to dump some of the faux snow into this vase as well. There you go. And I'm going to add some lights. Now, I used foam board from Dollar Tree. I cut it 6 inches around, and I put 10 slits in it so I can accommodate the light bulbs that I got from Dollar Tree to put inside of the vase. I think these are so cute. They are so retro to me. They are just adorable. And they give off good light as well. So you see me here struggling to get these lights like I want them, but it all works out in the end. And I cut a hole. I used a styrofoam round to put on that foam board so that I can have something to put the battery pack in. And then I cut another circle out of the foam board to make a top so you wouldn't see all that wiring. And excuse me, I covered it with some material I got from Dollar Tree. Actually, it was from a Christmas hat, and I just cut it up and covered that lid. Y'all excuse me, I'm recovering from COVID. So as you can see, the lights, I have them on, and they are so adorable. And now I'm going to put some of the snow flakes that I got from Dollar Tree on a glass. I'm just going to put 3 on there for the finishing touch. And you see that candlestick right there. I'm going to set that on top of the candlestick. And I've had the candlesticks in my cabinet for years. I'm finally trying to use them for something. And voila, there you go. A cute little scenery with a snowman in the trees. Nothing major, just something cute. I thought we could sit around in the house. There's the lights with the lights off. And here you have it. And now time for Christmas DIY number 2. This is a centerpiece. And look at the beautiful red tray. I think that tray is gorgeous, but I wanted to dry brush it with some white chalk paint. Now, ever since I did a dry brush, I just fell in love with dry brushing. I really love it. However, I did this for nothing. This was totally unnecessary, as I'm going to cover the whole tray. I don't know what I was thinking. I just kind of wanted to do it. So now here are some floral foams, and I have a square one, and I have 2 roundish shapes that I'm gluing on here. And no, I didn't take the paper off. I didn't feel like it. I just put it on there and went with it. Now, all of these flowers and picks I did get from Dollar Tree. These picks I just got this week, but the flowers I've been having, I'm not even going to tell you how long. But anyway, so here you see me dry brushing the greenery on this. I'm telling y'all, I'm almost addicted to dry brushing. Yeah, but I didn't really overdo it on these, so if you look at it closely, it's not really a lot of dry brushing. But I love it. I love dry brushing. Okay, did I say that? Yes. So, those are the picks with the gold balls. It's obvious. And again, I got these from Dollar Tree. And here's the red one. I like that red one especially. And I like making centerpieces. Centerpieces and mirrors are something that I used to do all the time. Now, these are some of the flowers that I've had in my stash. I did not recently purchase these. They've been in my stash for over a year. So we're trying to craft the stash that we have, along with some newer items, such as the picks. But I love these flowers, and Dollar Tree has a lot of beautiful flowers out now that you can use for centerpieces. And I'm officially out of flowers now, so I do need to get some more. And can I just give you a tip? When you are cutting flowers apart from the bunches that you get, make sure you leave the stems longer until you figure out how long you want the stems to go deep into the floral foam, because there have been times where I've cut my stems too short and I wasn't able to use it because the stems were too short. And what you don't want to do is have stems that are too short. You rather for them to be longer so you can cut them shorter, because once you cut them too short, you can't really extend them unless you save, some of the stems on the bunch. And I usually save mine instead of throwing them away. Now, I wasn't going to do the back because I figured nobody was going to see it. However, I decided to put a few flowers back there so it wouldn't be looking all crazy. You want your stuff to look nice, and in case somebody sees it and wants to purchase it, you got to have it looking nice. You got to have it looking decent. But, of course, I did run out of flowers. I really ran out of flowers. But I have several types of flowers on here, and I still really love the way that it turned out. And, you see I put those berries in there with the tag on there? Girl, boo. And I'm glad I caught it to take it off, because I'm like, what are you doing, Teresa? So, putting in some pine cones just to try to make it look a little, not so flowery. To put some more things in there to make it look different. And then this is my centerpiece for Christmas. I love it. And I put these little gold balls in there. I got these from Dollar Tree last year. So I decided to stick that in there as well, which matches the gold Christmas balls that are in there. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the centerpiece. That is it. I think she's cute. Still trying to stuff some more flowers in there to cover up some of the spaces. But there you have it. Dollar Tree centerpiece. And here we go, DIY number 3, and this is wall decor. And I wanted to try something different. I haven't seen anybody do this, but anyway, these are 2 pieces of wood that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm putting E6000 on there as well as hot glue. Now, I went to secure it and it didn't hold. You can see there, it looks kind of rough right there in the middle. That's because it didn't hold, and I had to go back and redo the back so that the 2 boards can stay stuck together. You'll see that later on. But here's some metal, I don't even know what to call this, but it's metal. And let me tell you, these things, be very careful using these because they will cut you. I stuck myself several times using this metal, whatever it is called. But I think it's so pretty. Now, I heard Dollar Tree was selling this. I've never seen it in my particular Dollar Tree. Never, ever saw it there. But now what I'm doing is I'm hot gluing it down. Guys, if you have those rubber things that can go in your fingers, please use them. I don't know where mine are. And I was burning myself. But I was determined to get this project done. As you can see, everything that I've done so far for these projects are all red of some sort. They have red on them. It's the holiday. So again, here I am now, I'm putting the sticks on the back of it the proper way so that the board won't come loose. I had to go back and redo it because the board was just giving me the business. So I'm cutting this metal. It's not mesh. It's decorative, whatever it's called. But I got this from Amazon because I never found it at my Dollar Tree. So basically, I just lined it up with the first one that I did. And again, I caution you to please be careful with these things because, especially when you cut them, because the metal is very sharp. It's thin, but it's very sharp. And I'm just hot gluing these down. Now, this metal does have holes in it where you could secure it down with some thumbtacks. And I actually have some silver thumbtacks, but I just didn't want to use those. So I went ahead and glued it down. And I was using the glue gun from Bleds that I did review on my channel. It's a cute little glue gun. It just doesn't stay charged long enough for me. But it's still nice, and I like the way it distributes the glue. Okay, so here I am at the end of this one, and I'm just folding that under. I didn't do anything special with it. I just folded it under. And you really have to hold these down. I didn't hold them down as long as I should have. That's why they kept popping up. But if you hold them down, it won't pop up. And you can also use E6000. So I got these letters from Dollar Tree. And I've had these for months and been wanting to use them. So I finally decided today I was going to use them. And I got that bow from Dollar Tree as well. And that flower that I put in the middle of that bow was a part of a clip. And I just took it off of the clip and glued it inside of the bow. And I'm putting the word believe in the middle of this. I started under the flower. And because of my camera angle, you can't really tell. But you'll see the end result. So I took these letters that I got from Dollar Tree and put them on the boards. And I wound up Mod Podging them because those letters did not stick to the board very well. They stuck initially, but they kept coming up, so I had to put Mod Podge on there, and that's what I'm doing right now to make sure the letters stay. And yeah, the V is a little crooked, and it was too late for me to try to take it off, but now I'm adding some gems to the oval part of that metal embellishment that I have on there. I think that really just took it up a notch and made it look so much prettier. And I got those gems from, I don't know where I got those gems from. I think I got them from Walmart when Walmart was selling those, a whole bunch of different shapes. But now I don't see them anymore. But you probably can get them from Amazon. And again, I've had these for about 3 years or longer. But I love this metal. I don't even know what it's called, but I love it. And I've been waiting to use it. I haven't used it in a while. I did use it on a jewelry case that I made last year or the year before last. I did use it, but I haven't used it since. I thought this was a great opportunity to use it. You can see the glue webs are everywhere. But the project came out nice. I really like the way it came out. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys again on the next video. All right. God bless. And I do really appreciate you for watching.